Everybody, and welcome to break 780 for the 2015-16 Panini Hockey Anthology. Thanks everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Current date and time according to eBay is Friday, May 10th, 2019. It's 11:19 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:19 p.m. Central Time, and 8:19 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Tabletop with 16 spots, Drew to the Gizame with 4 spots, Rob with 4 spots, DG with 2 spots, Two Toes with 1 spot, Mince King with 1 spot, and Dennis with 2 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Tabletop, you're on top. Dennis, you're on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Tabletop on top, Drew on the bottom. Tabletop has the Ducks, Drew Coyotes, Tabletop Bruins, Dennis Sabres, Drew Flames, Tabletop with the Hurricanes, Rob with the Blackhawks, Tabletop with the Avalanche, Blue Jackets, Stars, and Red Wings, Mince King with the Oilers, Rob with the Panthers, Tabletop Kings, Rob Wild, DG with the Canadiens, Tabletop with the Predators, Rob with the Devils, Tabletop Islanders, Dennis with the Rangers, Tabletop Senators and Flyers and Penguins, DG with the Blues, Two Toes Sharks, Tabletop Lightning and Leafs, Drew Canucks, Tabletop Capitals, and last but not least, Drew with the Winnipeg Jets. Alright, here we are. Good luck. And after 780, we'll have 783 for the 2018 Panini Origins. So the box within inside of the box. Alrighty. Okie dokie. Alright, good luck everybody. First up, we have Tessa Bonhomme auto for Canada. So we will be looking up Tessa home and native land 175 out of 299. And if that is correct, Tessa is going to be randomized 7 times because she was not in the NHL, but we'll double check that out. happened in our Hit Parade hockey boxes before. No big deal. Mark McNeil. Sizable signatures patch there. Very nice. And that is out of 99. Number 1 out of 99. And that might be from minor league. Either way, we'll look it up. Then we have a massive materials of Brandon Gormley out of 199. Number 8 out of 199. Then we have Bob Horvat, sizable signatures, jersey. 94 out of 299. We have a Tetrad Materials quad jersey of Logan Couture. Now go to the San Jose Sharks. Again, we'll look it up, but San Jose in the Final Four. That's 183 out of 199. Another massive materials of Matt Sundin. 264 out of 299. And then last but not least, another massive materials of Guy Lafleur. $75 out of $199. All right, let's go back through and see who's getting what. Let's just start with Guy here. So when someone's retired, they play for the longest, and as you can see, 14 years with the Montreal Canadiens. Montreal Canadiens is going to DG. Congrats, DG. I have Matt Sundin. So Matt Sundin played for Toronto. He was retired. So longest was Toronto. The Toronto Maple Leafs is going to Tabletop. Congrats, Tabletop. We have a sizable signature jersey of Bo Horvat. That was weird. All right, Vancouver, VAN, Vancouver. We'll go to Drew to the Gizane. Congrats, Drew. All right, Massive Materials, Brandon Gormley. Brandon. Don't know why it's doing that. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so keep in mind this is a 2015-16 Panini Anthology. 2015-16 would have had Brandon with Colorado. So Brandon will go to the Colorado Avalanche, which is Tabletop. Congrats, Tabletop. Alright, Logan Couture, Tetrad. Let's get these out of here. Logan has spent his whole career with the San Jose Sharks. San Jose Sharks is going to Two Toes 12. Congrats, Two Toes, on your quad jersey here of Logan Couture. We have the sizable signature patch of Mark McNeil. Mark McNeil. (2015-16) again, guys. Panini Anthology 15-16. Actually, looking at that is that's the orange feather on the card. Actually, pull up in a second. The Chicago Blackhawks is going to Rob. Congrats, Rob. Again, check that out. Pretty cool. So that's the orange feather there. And then, last but not least, we have Tessa Bonholm. Now, Tessa, when we look this up, if that's correct, she did not play in the NHL, so we would randomize her 7 times. in slot number 1 would get Tessa, but let's just double check here. Okay. So Tessa, this is her autograph. Very cool. But she did not play in the NHL. Let me pull this back up. So Tessa, home and native land auto. Out of 299. Tessa will be randomized 7 times. And her card will go to whoever has slot number 1. Tabletop, you're on top. Dennis on the bottom. Tabletop on top. Dennis on the bottom. Good luck once. Twice. 3 times. 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7. Tabletop, you have Tessa. Congrats. I want to thank all of you for getting into break 780. We do appreciate it, and all of you watching and joining us. We hope to see you guys soon. Please stick around for the bonus break spot. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. Hope to see you guys soon, and please stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks.